Hello and welcome to another Parweld TV. Today we're going to have a look at our latest new inverter technology piece of equipment, which is the XTT 212DI. So looking at the machine, we've got a nice protective screen there to protect its main function screen. Main memory button there and advanced menu selection. This is the main control switch that allows you to go into the menus and select. Further down you've got normal DINS plugs with gas connection with the Amphenol for the welding torch, and then coming down into the water cooler. This machine comes with or without the water cooler, while we mention water coolers, and it's supported by two nice side brackets which are fixed underneath the machine first and then connected into the side. The capacity for the water cooler is 5 litres and you have a 2 litre flow through the torch at all times. Easy, straightforward on-off power on the front of the machine with easy accessible fuse at the front. Normal water cooling, which is normal throughout the industry, blue and red. While we're on the water cooler, this is the entry for the water cooler, which is easy to access. Nice, easy, clean spout to pour your fluid into with a vent hole. And at the back, we've got a normal quick release gas connection with the on and off switch for your mains power. So back to the main front screen of the machine. So the weight of the machine is a nice, comfortable 12 kilos, being inverted technology. This inverted technology gives you greater power savings over normal, conventional, transformer-based machines. So this machine is eco-design compliant. Thank you for watching. That's been the end of our introduction to this machine. Thank you for watching.